Hello, my friend, and welcome back to 24/7 Talk English. Today, we continue Day 2, Introducing Others, and we will learn how to introduce friends, relatives, and family members confidently in English. Relax, sit back, and listen carefully. Let's begin. Introducing others, basic structure. When you introduce someone, you simply say, "This is my friend Ali. This is my cousin Sarah. This is my brother Ahmed. This is my teacher, Mr. David." You don't need long sentences, just name plus relationship. Speak with confidence, smile gently, and keep eye contact. More examples. Listen and repeat. This is my best friend, Zane. This is my classmate, Maria. This is my colleague, Mr. Shaw. This is my neighbor, Mrs. Khan. This is my uncle, George. This is my aunt, Rebecca. Very simple, right? No stress, no hesitation. When you want to add more info. If you want to introduce someone with a short detail. This is my friend Ali. We went to school together. This is my cousin, Sana. She lives in London. This is my brother, Farhan. He is a doctor. This is my sister, Mariam. She studies in college. This is my colleague, Mr. John. We work at the same company. Short information makes introductions natural and warm. Talking about family. Today, we also learned simple ways to talk about family members. Repeat after me. I have a small family. I have a big family. I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. I have 3 sisters. I don't have any brothers. I don't have any sisters. We are 5 in the family. Now more natural ways. We are a family of 4. I am the eldest. I am the youngest. I am in the middle.
More family introductions. This is my father. He is an engineer. This is my mother. She is a teacher. This is my wife. She is very kind. This is my husband. He works in IT. These are my parents. These are my siblings. Daily question and answer practice. Now let's practice real conversation. I will ask the question. You answer. Question 1. Who is he? Answer. He is my friend. Question 2. Who is she? Answer. She is my sister. Question 3. Who are they? Answer. They are my cousins. Question 4. Who is this? Answer. This is my uncle. Question 5. What does your brother do? Answer. He is a student, or he works in a bank. Question 6. Do you have any siblings? Answer. Yes, I have 1 brother and 2 sisters. Or, no, I don't have any siblings. Question 7. Where does your family live? My family lives in Karachi. or they live abroad. Question 8. Are you close with your family? Yes, very close. We love spending time together. Mini dialogue. Listen carefully. I'll speak slowly. Alex, hi. This is my friend David. Anna, nice to meet you, David. David, nice to meet you too. Alex, this is my cousin, Rania. She lives in Dubai. Oh, that's great. Nice to meet you, Rania. Rania, nice to meet you. Well done. You have completed day 2. Introducing others, continuation. You now know how to introduce friends, introduce family, add short information, answer basic family questions, and speak clearly with confidence. Remember, learning English is not about speed. It is about clarity and daily practice. Join me tomorrow for day 3 and keep improving step by step. Thank you for listening. This is 24/7 Talk English, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Goodbye and take care.